Good morning, it's Nancy today. Now, we're going to look at the ducks. We're out here at the lake, on the bridge, where we are parked nicely off the road. You see? Now, I see some ducks out there. Let's just see what they are. Looks like a ring-necked duck. Some kind of a bay duck, anyway. What you're hearing is a loon. Oh, look at the white dot on the side of his head. Did you see that? Notice it looks like it's brown front, dark front and back, and whitish, but not white, it's off-white. And I believe my book is in the house. But that white dot on the side of the female's face, Goldeneye have that. But whatever he is, she's probably the same, right? Now the beak looks like it's kind of yellow, doesn't it? See, this is more than a white dot on the side of the face. And maybe that's the male and female common goldeneye. Okay, get out your book and check the markings. And see how tall the neck is? See how round the head looks? But you should be able to tell anything by the face, by the head. That looks to me like a bay duck. A bay duck is it's a family of ducks. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. A genus, I guess. Ooh, look what's coming through the water. That's a beaver, isn't it? Look at the big waves he's making. See that tail flapping in there? In beaver, you usually only see the head. Oh, see the tail? See, you got 3 bumps there. Rewind that if you need to. Got the head, back, and the big tail. He's really motoring along, isn't he? I think I've lost him. I think he's way out there now. Perhaps we can go up here and see him. Let's see what we can do. We did scare those ducks away. Did you notice the ducks all leaving at that moment? Now, it should be easy to find him because all we need to do is find his trail. He's got a big V somewhere in that water. There he is. Okay, let's come over here and see if we can get a view of him when he gets up here to the end. There's quite a little dam there that you can't get across, isn't it? And there he comes. Is he carrying something? Oh, that's his head reflecting in the water. See that big tail? Now, is he gonna get out? Hold everything, I've lost him. He's likely gonna go find a food supply. A new tree he's working on, perhaps. Okay, let's move up. I saw a duck land over here a minute ago. I don't see him now. Zoom out. Okay, just have to cross to the right side of the road. Still see his line down there. There he is. You can't pull over because we got a road top here. Okay, that's it. Bye. Gotta start a new one.